Hello and welcome everyone. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to change colors in Tunisian crochet at the end of your row. So how to change color in your Tunisian crochet project at the end of the row, you will do it on your return pass. So this is my return pass that I prepared previously. So I need to chain one like so, and then yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through two, right to the end of my row until I have 2 loops left on my hook. Okay, so now I've got 2 loops left on my hook. So the next step that I would normally do, I would yarn over and pull through both of these loops, and that's how I would get to the beginning of the next row. But I need to change color, so I'm going to bring the other end of my yarn, of my new yarn color, and I will place a loop over the hook, and with this new color I will pull through. So what I like to do when I change color at the end of the row, I like to take the new strand of yarn and wrap it around the old color and the short end of the new color. That's what I like to do to secure it. And you also need to pull tight on the loop so it is not loose. If the loop on your hook with the new color is loose, it will give you a loose edge that doesn't really look very nice. And then we'll just start crochet with the new color as we would do previously. So just to show you, I'm going to do some Tunisian simple stitches. So yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, over, pull through. Okay. So what you can also do, you can pull gently on the other strands of yarn that you have behind your project to make the tension on all of your loops even. Okay, there you go, and that's how you change color at the end of the row in your Tunisian crochet project.